Hey queens, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're jumping right into today's headband wig review. This is a gorgeous kinky straight unit, affordable headband wig from Amazon. Here are a couple of shots of the unit that is clearly African American inspired. Let's dive into the tutorial. Okay, so here I am in my brown bonnet. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this in just a second to show you what I've been working with underneath. So my hair has been slicked back for a couple of days. This is how it looks. So I've been using the Shine and Gem Extra Hold Conditioning Gel to slick my hair back. And this is one of 3 products that I've been using consistently that have been working for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that like so. Next, I'm going to go in with this Nairobi foaming lotion. Now, this lotion is going to serve as a gel substitute. So instead of using a gel that gives me more of a crunch, I'm going to use this hair mousse, which gives me less crunch, and I'm just able to mold everything into place. So that is why I prefer the mousse instead. All right, so we're just going to tap that in all over, and then it's just going to marinate and melt into the skin. Next, we're gonna go in with the Edge Booster by Style Factor. Now, if you know me, then you know I have been using this product a while, and I absolutely love it. I definitely recommend it. I just don't recommend, disclaimer, I don't recommend that you use this product alone. Find other products that work in your regimen along with this product to make sure you don't get that flake and that crunch that you typically would see with using this product alone. So as an additional precaution, I'm gonna apply this do-it-yourself elastic band that I made, and I'm just going to put this on my hair to slick it back and hold it in place so that it doesn't revert while I'm styling it. So that is how that looks. Now we're going in with the headband that came with the unit. So this is a beautiful headband, and I wasn't sure if I was going to use it at first, but it grew on me, so I'm going to go ahead and place it onto my head first. Next, I'm going to go in with a weaving cap that came with the headband unit as well. Now, I have tons of these laying around the house, so this is not new to me. I'm going to use it to make sure my hair doesn't move. Thumbnail. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is nice and secure. So here is some cell phone footage of the, just a better visual of how my hair actually looks when it's laid and in place, honey. So next, here's the packaging that the headband unit came in. So as you can see, everything is still in the package. This was pre-recorded, but we got the shot. Okay, so we're gonna remove everything out of the packaging, and look at the gorgeous luster of this unit, and the shine is on point. So the cap construction, here is the front of the headband wig, nice and full with 2 combs on each side. Here is a look at the front construction. This is a wefted unit, so everything is sewn together. And yeah, I'm going to show you a 360 view of this unit as well. It does have adjustable straps in the back with 1 single comb in the nape area. So that is that. It does have an elastic band on top with Velcro on each side so that you can go ahead and attach the unit and make it very, very secure in back. Okay, so let me give you a full view of this unit. As you can see, it's thick, it's full of texture. Now, I did want to insert this clip because it is a little thin with where the mesh cap is. You can see it through my walls, but honestly, you're not going to see that once you put this unit on your head. And as long as you use a black cap underneath, you should be perfectly fine. All right, and it has very thick ends as well, which I showed you in that clip. I'm just gonna brush the unit out a little bit, and we're gonna place it on. So I'm gonna be very gentle with my placement, making sure to slide the combs in very, very gently. All right, and once I've got the combs in and nice and secure, we're gonna pull down the back. All right, so it's been a while since I had straight hair in my head, y'all. So I was a little shocked at how well I looked with this straight hair. Now, I did have a little trouble getting the Velcro to unsnap, but I was able to get it, as you can see. Now, I will say that when you're trying to attach the Velcro in the back of the headband, it was very, very hard. So I had to move all of the hair to one side, and then I had success with that. So try that if you're having a little bit of trouble, but nonetheless, this unit looks gorgeous. But we're gonna slide this headband wig up just like so. And yeah, the look is definitely coming together. Now, of course, I'm going to show you a couple of clips and visuals so that you can further see this unit in its entirety. So yeah, this is a front view. And this unit is actually pretty long, longer than I would typically wear my units. I typically go for like a 14 and a 16 inch, but I went a little longer, you know, trying something different, getting out of my comfort zone a little bit with this unit. All right, I had this little piece of net stuck in my hair that entire time. All right, so I'm gonna brush this unit out just a little bit. I did prefer my wide tooth comb over this Felicia brush, but nonetheless, it got the job done. I will say that this unit does tangle very easily, but it is a very affordable unit, so you can expect tangles with it because it's not, you know, it's not a virgin hair, so you're gonna have some tangles. All right, so if you're not a fan of tangles, then maybe don't get this hair, but I found that the tangles were not that hard to get out. And with how affordable this unit is, I would still purchase this unit over and over again because of how amazing and how easy, you know, just from start to finish it is to put on. So, you know, just switch it up every now and then, and this is giving for sure. All right, so now we're gonna get into a couple of looks. Now this ponytail here definitely gave me relaxed hair vibes. Back when my hair was relaxed, this is exactly how it would look. Maybe not as long, but you get it, you get it. All right, next we're gonna try a messy bun. So that is how that looks. I did put a clip in the back just to kind of hold it in place. Nice and cute up top. This is a definite go-to for like those lazy natural hair days. Yeah, this is cute. All right, now I did try a under braid, which I don't know if I've ever actually tried an under braid before, but I struggled with this one a little bit. So I had to speed it up so y'all can see all of my struggles. And I'm just trying to give y'all the visuals here. So we're gonna braid that all the way to the bottom. And that is how that looks. Nice and cute. I definitely would rock this one. All right, so I got a little lazy on this part, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm gonna show y'all a little side bun here. Just hold it up there, but you can see the style, and that's what matters. I captured that moment. All right, so we're gonna unravel the braid really quick, and I'm gonna also show you one more braid. Now I'm showing you pigtails, but these are like grown and sexy pigtails. These are not kid pigtails, okay? Nice and loose and thick and full. Now, if it were me, I would put both of these pigtails into a nice little halo braid and call it a day. So that is just what I would do. Okay. But yeah, this is how they look. All right, so now we're gonna do the final look, which is a nice Elsa braid in the back. I figured I'd finish off with this look because, you know, why not? Why not have one single braid with everything out of your face in the back? So that is how that looks. And of course, if you want to, you can swing it to the side as well to give that other type of Elsa vibe as well. Okay, but that is it for today's look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.